start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious of all. My name is Zunaira Iman, roll number 34. The topic of my presentation that I have selected is Corpus-based analysis of gender representation in media discourse. There are two articles based on the study of gender portrayal or gender representations. Article number 1 is Thespians in Print, Gender Portrayal in Pakistani English Print Media by Dr. Musarrat Yasmin. And the second article is Attitude and Identity Categorizations, a corpus-based study of gender representation presented by Kusumawati A. Bakar in 2014. Media shapes societal perceptions. For example, the male actors are award winning, leading actors or versatile, and females are fashion icon, stunning or emotional performance. The question is how women are linguistically and visually portrayed in Pakistani entertainment print news. The study that we continue uses a corporate-based method, analyzing portrayal of women by collecting data from the newspapers, including Dawn, The Nation, and The News, and build two corpora of text and image corpus. The researchers select English newspapers as concerned, discovering the way English language can affect the representation of women in Pakistani print media. Here are the two images. One is of women, and second is to compile a text corpus using Sketch Engine, and then converted into TXT files. In the first slide, we study media shapes societal perceptions. To understand how language and images create and spread ideas in society, there's a need to understand the critical discourse analysis. In this study, Musarrat Yasmin adopts Fair Club's model of critical discourse analysis because it is flexible. In this study, researchers use Fair Club's model to look at how gender is shown in Pakistani media or entertainment news. The study analyzed both words and pictures to see patterns in how females are represented. They also use the feminist stylistic to get deeper understanding. This approach helped them to find hidden meanings, understand the role of culture, and see how media shapes gender roles. In the previous slide, we scanned a text to compile a text corpus using Sketch Engine, while in the latest slide, we study and this is a C compiled corpus using Sketch Engine. This picture is a compiled corpus, while the previous slide picture is a scanning corpus. This slide of gender visibility, graph, and circle frequency in articles entertainment shows men receive significantly more visibility in both textual and visual content. Here is a clear imbalance between gender visibility in articles. Men appear in the 76% of the articles, while women are featured in only 6%. Women is shown in the circle graph. Maroon colors show the minority of women, which is the 6%, while the whole blue part of the circle shows the 76% men. While when we study about the both men and women, which combined make up 12%, and neutral representations account for just 6%, which are shown by purple part of the circle. When we look at the entertainment section, the visuals show different patterns. Picture of men appear in 52.75% of content, where women's pictures make up 36.24%. However, when it comes to articles, men are still more visible with 35% compared to women 22.75%. In gender bias and sexism in media language, there is a need first to pay attention to the newspaper, which is parted between men and women. Men are represented on the right side of a newspaper, acclaimed, talented, and successful, while women are charming, pretty, and graceful. They women are portrayed as marked and less serious. The use of gender terms such as actress instead of a neutral actor, they called first name 53 times and men 10 times. Female celebrities are described in terms of appearance, age, and relationships. Example: Sienna Miller's beauty tricks, while men are addressed more professionals. While the gender bias is present in Pakistani English print media, women are more likely to be portrayed through traditional gender roles, focusing on beauty and emotions, while men are portrayed as competent and professionally successful. What I learned from this article. This article taught me the language used in media plays significant